Struggling to get more reach on social media? This simple infographic might just help you stand out. And it's super easy to make it in Canva. So open Canva and choose the Instagram story size. Type the number 5 using a large bold font. Add your title underneath using a smaller font size. Now add a square. Make the corner fully rounded. Apply a dashed outline to the shape. Duplicate it until you have 5 boxes. Arrange them like this. Now copy each tip text into the boxes. Adjust the font size and make it bold. Use the Copy Style button to quickly format the rest of the text. Add one relevant icon to each box. Now add a long rounded rectangle behind everything. Remove the fill color and apply a dashed outline. Send it to the back layer. Change the background color of each box using your chosen color palette. Once done, download it and post it into your social media. Want more easy Canva tips like this? Subscribe and let me know what kind of infographic you want to create next. See you next video and have fun with Canva.